OpenSea Marketplace recently added Ethernity chain and now accept ERN token as a payment method to buy and sell NFTs. So now, why does it even matter? Well, it matters when it comes to trading NFTs on OpenSea and dealing with those crazy high Ethereum gas fees. And now we have NFTs popularity on one hand and Ethereum high gas fees on the other hand. And right now, all these things together makes the whole thing like insanity. Just imagine paying $200 Ethereum gas fee for an NFT that worth only $30. And check this one out. This is even worse. Literally a few hours ago, someone paid $20K in transaction fees for NFTs valued at only $3K, like $20K transaction fees for $3K valued of NFTs. I mean, come on, this is like going to McDonald's and paying $20 fee for a $3.99 Big Mac. So now, all those craziness aside, OpenSea Marketplace that sells NFTs and digital collectibles added Ethernity token to the list of their payment method. So now you can decide to go with like Ethereum for your transaction and deal with those high Ethereum transaction or gas fees, or go with ERN or Ethernity token and make your transaction. But now you need to remember that in order to use ERN or Ethernity token for your transaction, both NFT buyers and sellers need to have account with OpenSea. As an NFT buyer, just make sure to choose ERN in drop-down menu where you see the Ethereum logo with USDC, Ethereum and DAI options. On the other hand, and as an NFT seller, simply edit the collection that you want to sell and make sure to add ERN or Ethernity token in the accepted payment token list. So now I want you to comment #yes in the comment section down below if you think the whole Ethernity payment token thing was a good move, was a good idea. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up for almighty YouTube algorithm. And while you're at it, I think you like this shocking video where it shows how Afghans and Talibans are trying to buy Bitcoin, and this might be a bullish news for cryptocurrency in general. With that, thank you so much guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.